In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect or link Google Sheets to Looker Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Google Sheet hooked up as a live data source in Looker Studio, ready to power dashboards and reports. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns or has access to the spreadsheet you want to use, and that your sheet is tidy. One clear header row, no merged cells, and consistent data in each column. That simple prep avoids most connection hiccups. Start by opening your browser and heading to Looker Studio. You can go directly to lookerstudio.google.com or simply search for Looker Studio and open the official site. Once you're in, look for the Create button. It's usually at the top or in the left navigation. Click Create to start adding something new. From the Create options, choose Data Source. This tells Looker Studio you want to bring in data that you'll later use in reports. On the Connectors screen, you'll see a list of data sources you can pull from. Find and click on Google Sheets. This connector links your spreadsheets to Looker Studio and keeps them in sync. If it's your first time using the Google Sheets connector, Looker Studio will ask for authorization. Follow the prompts, choose the Google account that has your spreadsheet, and allow access. This permission lets Looker Studio read the data it needs to display in your dashboards. It's a one-time setup for each account. Next, you'll pick the specific spreadsheet you want to link. Browse your drive, select the file, and then choose the Worksheet tab within that file. It helps to name your tabs clearly, like Sales 2026 or Campaign Results, so you always know exactly what you're connecting. If your sheet lives in a shared drive, confirm you have at least view access. Also, double-check that your first row contains the column names you want to use as field names in Looker Studio. With the spreadsheet and tab selected, go ahead and click Connect at the top right. Looker Studio will load a schema view showing all the fields it found, along with their detected data types. This is simply a confirmation step, so you can see everything looks correct. Your Google Sheet is now successfully linked as a data source. From here, your data source is ready to use in any Looker Studio report. As you update the Google Sheet, your dashboards can reflect those changes. If you ever modify column names or structures, just remember to keep that first row clean and consistent to maintain a smooth connection. That's all it takes to connect Google Sheets to Looker Studio.